Bling!
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little Taylor Swift drawing based on her new music video for I Bet You Think About Me. So I'm going to get started with a black marker. You can draw with a pencil, it doesn't matter, I'm just going to go straight in with a black marker. Alright, so this illustration isn't going to be her entire body, it's going to be her head, and we're going to have her arms and her guitar, but it's going to get cut off around like her waist or a little bit past that. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing her eyes. So I make an upside down U shape, and then I put a bottom on it. And then give it a little bit of distance, and I'm going to do the same over here. Upside down U shape, put a bottom on that U shape. Upside down U shape. Alright, so now I'm going to put a great big circle there. And same on the other side. Okay, now I'm going to put almost like a thick bubble letter U. Now I'm going to color everything except those two shapes in black. Alright, now I'm going to give 1, 2, 3 eyelashes, and same over here. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do a little line like this and a little line like that. Okay. Now I'm going to give her a little nose, so it's kind of like a sideways triangle. Next, I'm going to go straight across her eyes. And starting about this far up, I'm going to put a little dot there, and we can start drawing little bits of her bangs. So just like little swoops of hair coming down. And you can go up from that line we made going across the top of her eyes. Okay, now we can come on down, same on this side, and we're going to make the bottom here of her face. Okay, now I'm going to give her a little smile. But Taylor Swift is wearing red lipstick in this music video, so we're going to need to give her lips. So I'm going to do a bottom lip here, and she's going to need a top lip too. Okay, now I'm also going to give her a little oval under each eye, so it's like a little blushy part on each cheek. Now I'm going to do a little line here, a little line here. We're working on our neck. And I know it looks super silly right now, but it'll work itself out. Okay, so we're gonna do a little shoulder. So we're starting with a shoulder here. We can come on down. Come on down this way. So we got our little elbow. And then the other part of her arm here. And then I'm not going to draw this shoulder because I'm going to have this shoulder covered by hair. So I'm going to put her hair on this side. It's going to be behind her shoulder, and then on this side it's covering her shoulder. So I'm going to start on this side. Her hair is behind her shoulder. And then over on this side, it's coming out in front. So we're just making wisps of hair. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more hair after, but right now I'm going to start on the guitar. So I'm going to do a big shape like that. It's going to curve in and go like that. So kind of like a big hill, comes down and makes another little hill. Okay, now I'm going to add a bit more of her hair. Give it a little curl. Okay, now the dress that she wears has like a sweetheart neckline. So we curve and then we go up. So it's kind of like the top of a heart. Okay, but now a lot of it you can't see because it's being covered by her hair or being covered by the guitar here. Okay, so now the next part I'm going to do is a bit more hair. Just a little bit more. Alright, so the next part I'm going to do a little line right here, kind of connecting her arm to like her armpit, and then I'm going to do her little fist here. And like a little thumb. So she's going to be strumming away on the guitar. Now I'm going to continue doing the guitar. It's behind that arm. So we're going to round it out there. And now I'm going to continue making this guitar shape. Okay. Now, okay, so her guitar, we've got like a circle up here. So we got a big hollow black circle. And then down here, we've got that little, like a long rectangle. I'm going to color that in black. And I'm going to color this in black too. This is the hollow part of the guitar. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to do the guitar neck. So to make sure that I'm doing that straight, it's a little bit tricky to do it straight where the guitar is here like on a side. So I'm going to flip my page, and it's easier for me to make it straight if I am working this way. But you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I just find it easier to make a bit of a straight line that way. So I'm going to start by kind of lightly sketching. So these would be like the guitar strings. Okay, and now I'll flip it back this way. So I'm going to do, her other arm is going to be coming out here from behind the hair. And I'm going to have her holding onto her guitar. So let's see. I'm going to continue the strings a little bit further up here. Keep her arm going a bit. And then right here, her arm is going to it's going to be curved, but you can't really see it because it's in behind the guitar neck. So right here, we're gonna make a little kind of a funny shape, like that. And that is her hand holding onto the guitar. So I'm gonna do 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. This is like her little fingers. And I can continue the guitar neck. And I'm gonna make a line here. And now we've got that top of the guitar. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then straight little tiny lines on top of those. Okay, now I'm gonna color this part in black too. Okay, all right, so kind of coming out here from behind the guitar is gonna be her dress. So she's wearing this big poofy red dress, but obviously we just drew up to like the waist. So I'm gonna do a little line coming out this way from behind the guitar. So that's the start of the poof coming down. Okay. And I'm also gonna throw in a couple music notes. So I'm gonna do a circle, then a straight line, a little curve, and then another curvy line. And now I'll color that in black and that in black. Okay, now I'll do circle, straight line, another straight line down, another circle. And color those in black. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. Okay, and I'm gonna put another one of these over on this side. You don't have to add these, I just thought it added a bit more fun to our picture. Made it a little bit more interesting. And then I'm gonna put one of these ones over on this side. All right, so now I'm gonna add some color. All right, this might take a little while, so we'll probably speed up this part. But I'm gonna color everything in markers except the guitar. I'm gonna color the guitar with some coloring leads, and I'm doing that because her dress is red and the guitar is red, so I don't want it to kind of blend together and just be a red blob. I want you to kind of tell the difference and know what's what. So that's why I'm using one media for one thing and then another kind of media for the other. Okay? All right, so we're probably gonna speed it up now. Alright everyone, so we are done our picture. I hope you had fun drawing, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright, have a good day everybody. Bye!